By the way, our session is being recorded, so allow TIS and allow Teacher Jermaine to record our session today so that Dr. Harry will be able to see our progress here in TIS. Okay, I am Teacher Jermaine. I am from the Philippines and I will be your teacher. Then we will be learning English together. Boys, hi Percy. Percy De Silva, hello. Marco, hello. Boys, hello. Johanna, hello. Evelyn, Nadette, Henry, Johanna, hello.
Hello, man. Hello, me.
Dr. Harry would like to request everyone to please open their cameras. Please open your cameras, boys and girls. Teacher would like to talk to you, so you can open your microphone also. Hi, boys. Boy,
Hi,
this one,
Miss.
boy.
Miss.
Hello. Do
Hello,
you know
Miss.
how to do you know how to speak in English? Just a little? Only a little, boy? A little English only? How about Marco?
No, Miss.
Oh, no? Fabio, hello.
Hello, Miss. Hello,
Hello.
Miss.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, Miss.
Wow, very good. How old are you, Fabio?
Yes. Yes.
Like this? 10? Like this one? 10 years old? 10? Fabio? 10? How old are you?
Hmm.
How about Tony? Hi, Tony.
Hello, Miss.
So, how old are you, Tony?
I am fine, Miss.
Yeah, you're fine. How old are you?
Ah.
12, 11, 13?
15, Miss.
15 already. So you are already in high school. High school? What grade are you now?
Yes, Miss.
Wow. What grade, Tony? What grade? Grade. How do you call that in your place? What grade? Grade 7, 8, 9, 10, like that? Grade 7. Thank you, Tony. Thank you.
Gak apa tuh, Miss. Kau sana? Apa?
Teacher.
10.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Tony. Thank you for answering. Okay. Teacher Jermaine is from the Philippines, okay? Um, again, I am from the Philippines. Teacher Jermaine
Ada
cannot
apa tuh?
understand
Yang Oh,
14.
ini.
Okay. So Teacher Jermaine cannot understand the Bahasa language, okay? I cannot understand your language because I'm not I am a Filipino. I'm here in the Philippines. Okay, but hopefully with that language barrier, you can still learn English with me. Hi, Diego.
Hello, Miss.
How are you? How are you, Diego?
Huh? I am Miss. Oh, I'm yes, Miss.
Fine. Okay, Christian, thank you for the message. So not yet very proficient in English, miss. Okay, we will be working on that one. Can I talk now to the girls? Hi, Grace. Hi, Grace. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Grace. How old are you, Grace?
I'm okay. I'm okay, Miss.
Okay, how old are you, Grace?
I'm 14.
14 also? Oh, okay, you're also 14 years old. Okay, that's okay. And that's a good. Okay. So all of you are high schoolers now. Are you from NTT? Do you know NTT? No. You are from
No, Miss,
what
no.
what is your school? What's the name of the school, Grace?
Panti Budaya, Miss.
Oh, okay. That is also from Indonesia, Grace.
Yes, Miss.
Wow. How do you learn TIS? Who introduced TIS to you?
Nggak ngerti apa.
Dr. Harry?
Yes,
You are
Miss.
from Medan? Medan, Grace?
Yes,
No?
Miss.
Ah, yes. All of you are classmates here, Grace. You know everyone. You are friends. All of you are friends here. Friends.
Yes, Miss.
Thank you, Grace. Thank you.
Thank you to
How about Mika? Hi, Mika.
Hi, Miss.
Hello. How are you, Mika?
I'm okay, Miss.
Wow. How old is Mika? How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Wow, 13 already. What grade are you now? Grade 7, Mika? What grade are you now?
Uh, 7.
Grade 7 in school? Grade 6 in school?
SMP Panti Budaya, Miss.
Okay. Thank you, Mika. Okay, one last. Hi, Claudia. Hi, Claudia.
Hi, Miss.
How are you, Claudia? How are you?
Hi, good Miss.
Okay, you feel good. Okay, thank you. That's very yes. Okay. Um, our teacher will be giving you a placement test today. Okay? Um,
Okay,
teacher will be
Miss.
giving yes because Dr. Harry asked me to give a test to you. Okay, wait for a while.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, but I will be giving the test after after this activity. Allow me to share my screen. Okay, am I already sharing my screen? Can you see my screen? Okay. Mika, hello.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen, Mika?
Ini HP-nya si Jo. Coba demo kencang. Berarti pelankan HP-mu.
Can you see my screen? Yes or no?
Pelankan HP-mu. Dikit lagi. Kamu dengar yang ini aja, tapi kamu dengar layarmu. Pelankan HP-mu.
Okay. So on my screen, you can see here the big letters, or you can see here. Okay. So we have here the English alphabets. Okay. The English alphabets consist of 26 letters. So here are the 26 letters of the English alphabet. So we will be identifying its letter names. Okay. You are going to identify or to give its name. Can I ask Mika first? Mika,
Kenapa, Miss?
can you, yeah. What letter is this one, Mika? What letter?
A, B, C, D, E, L,
Yeah.
Miss.
Continue, G.
G, H, A, J, K, G, K,
K.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay. In the English alphabet, we call this one as W. Okay? It's W. This, yeah,
Double.
this one is X.
Iya,
Okay, this one is Y, and this is letter Z. Okay, can I talk to Tony? Tony, where's Tony? Hello. Okay, if not Tony, Marco, hello. Marco, hello. You don't want to talk? Marco, Tony, hello.
yeah, Miss. Hello, Miss.
Okay. Marco, please tell me what letter is this? Look at the circle. What letter is this one? Yeah. You know, it's very simple. Letter T. Again. Marco.
Ini huruf apa? Ini
Yeah,
apa sih, Mas?
you, you just have to tell me the letters.
Matematika.
Letter?
T.
Okay, letter T. How about this one?
N.
Again?
O.
What
B.
letter?
E. Q.
N.
R.
N.
N.
Okay, good. This one is letter. This one. Look at my screen. Letter.
P.
Very good. This one, Marco.
S.
Very good. This one.
K. E. E.
Um, and yeah, because in English we don't say ka, but we say K. What letter?
K.
Okay, it's letter K. Very good. Thank you, Marco.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
I would like to call another one. Maybe Diego would like to answer. Hi, Diego.
Makanya dengar yang satu yang Miss Marco. Thank you, Miss.
Hi,
Hi,
Diego.
Miss.
Welcome. Jago, hello.
Patingan sekarang.
Okay. Jago, hello.
Hi, Miss.
Yes. Jago, please tell me, how about this one? What letter?
B.
Very good. This one.
N.
Okay. In English, what letter is this one? Jago.
Ni.
Okay. In English, we say this is letter Y. Again, Jago, letter. What letter is this one? In Bahasa, you
Wow.
say E. It's Y.
Oy.
Okay, last one, Jago, letter.
R.
Okay, letter I. Thank you, boys. Thank you, Jago.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so here on my screen, you can see here the big letters. Okay, here are the capital letters. Next one are the small letters, right? Because if we have big letters, we also have small letters in the English alphabet. Now, I want you to look at my screen. You can see here, you can see here 5 letters. And these are letter A, E, I, O, U. I repeat, A, E, I,
I.
O,
O.
U. U. Okay. So what are these 5 letters? Okay, these 5 letters are our 5 vowels. Okay, these 5 letters are our 5 vowels. Again, we call this 5 vowels. Repeat after teacher. Everyone say vowels.
5 vowels.
Yes, these are vowels. Now, it's important to know what the vowels are because we will be learning about articles. We will be learning about grammar. So it is important for you to know what are vowels and what are consonants. Okay, if we have vowels, paired to that one are the different consonants. Okay, we have here the different consonants. How do you say consonants in Bahasa? Consonants. Let me see. Consonants are consonant. Okay. Consonants in Bahasa language. Consonant. Okay. Consonant. Oh, in your language. Teacher will be using the Google Translate. Then vowels. Ah, you have this word in vocal. Do you have that word in Indonesia? Vocal? Vocal and consonant? No? Okay. I repeat. Okay, teacher will repeat, okay? There are 26 letters of the English alphabet. Again, 26. So the vowels are only 5. 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. So the remaining letters are what we called consonants. Can you please repeat? Open your microphone. Say consonants.
Consonant.
Thank you,
Consonant.
Christian. Thank you, boys. How do you read it? That's boys, or boy? Boy only. Hmm. How should teacher read your name? Only boy? Boys.
B.
Okay.
Boy, miss. My name is Boy.
Oh, okay, only boys. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so okay, teacher will be flashing pictures on my screen. Okay, let me slideshow. Okay. So what image can you see on my screen? What image can you see on my screen? This is it's a,
Cat.
yeah, yes, Jago, it is a cat. Jago, can you try to give me the spelling of cat? How do we spell cat?
Cat.
C, yeah, C, Jago, C,
Yeah, miss.
yes, give me the spelling of cat. Spelling C-A-T.
Cat.
Can you repeat again? Can you repeat that one?
C-H-E.
Okay, very good. Now, Jago, can you tell me what is the vowel in the word cat? What's the vowel? What vowel? Is letter C a vowel? Is A a vowel? Or is it T? What is the vowel for the word cat?
Yes, miss.
Yes. What's the vowel? The vowel is letter. It is letter. What's
A.
the vowel? Yes. The vowel is letter A. And how do we call letter C and letter T? Letter C and letter T are? How do you call it again? We say consonants. Again, boys. Jago. How do we call it? It is? Or these are?
T, miss.
Oh yeah, letter A is the
C and
vowel.
T.
Yeah, C and T are consonants. Thank you, Jago.
Yeah, miss.
I have here another picture. Hi, Christian.
Dog.
Hi, Christian. Christian Pagabean. Hello.
Yes, miss.
What is on my screen? It's a.
Dog, miss.
Okay, give me the spelling of dog, Christian. The spelling
D-O-Z.
G.
G.
Okay. Tell teacher what is the vowel? What's the vowel in the name dog? Vowel.
O, miss.
Yeah, it's letter O. And because letter D and letter G are called, how do you call that one? Those are consonants. Again, Christian.
Consonants.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, Christian. How old are you, Christian?
14, miss.
14. You're already 14. Okay, thank you, Christian. Doing good.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay. Wow, very good. Hey, how about Nadette? Hello. The boys are performing well. I hope the girls will also participate. Girls, hello. If not Nadette, how about Johanna?
Hello, miss.
Hello.
Hello, miss.
Okay. Oh, Fabio. Fabio? Fabio, is this you? Fabio? Fabio Sitoros. Hello. Hello. Okay, Fabio, what's on my screen? Please read. Fabio, what's on my screen?
At Miss.
Very good. Give me the spelling. What's the spelling, Fabio? H. What's the spelling? Is my voice very soft, Fabio? Okay. Who would like to help Fabio? Who would like to
Hello,
help
Miss.
Fabio? Oh, yeah.
Hello, Miss.
H. Okay, H. Okay. H.
A
Yes, A.
T
T.
copy.
Come again. Come again, Fabio. Say it again. H.
Miss.
A.
T
A. T.
T.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Fabio.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so this one is a hat. Okay, this one is a hat. It is H-A-T. The vowel for the word hat is A, and we have the consonants H and T. Okay, let's move forward. Oh, how about this one? Girls, I want to hear from the girls. Henry, hello. Claudia, hello. How about Mika?
Yes, Miss. Yes. Siapa niyo? Yes, Miss.
Henry? Hi,
Yes, Miss.
Henry.
Dia kan, Sat? Yes, Miss.
Claudia, please read. What can you see on my screen? How do you read this?
Boy, Miss.
Boy. Come again.
Boy.
Okay, give me the spelling.
B
B
O Y. O Y.
Y. Y.
Y.
Again, Claudia. B
B O
O Y.
Y. Y.
Okay, because in English we call its letter name is Y. Now, how do we call letter O? What's letter O, Claudia? Is it vowel or consonant?
Hours.
Okay, letter O is a vowel. How about B and Y? How about letter B? It's a vowel or consonant?
Why,
How
Miss?
about letter Yeah. How about letter B? Is it a vowel or a consonant? Letter B.
Why, Miss?
You say consonants.
B. One consonants.
Yes, these are consonants. Thank you, Claudia.
Thank you so much, Miss. Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay, we still have another picture and I want to hear from another girl or maybe boy, Percy Da Silva. Hi, Percy. Hello. Oh, please do not be afraid. Hi, Percy. Hello. Hello. You, yes, you have a beautiful.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay. Go on. Okay, please. Okay, please read what's on my screen, Percy. It's
Yeah,
a,
miss.
yeah, it's a can. Again, say it again. Can.
Kind.
Can. Oh, give me the spelling, Percy. Give me the spelling. C,
C
A, A,
A
N, N.
N
Okay, let's do it again. Do it again, Percy. C,
C
A, A.
Kedengar.
Oh, teacher's voice is very soft.
Enggak suara P-nya.
Okay, okay. Hi, Percy. Hello.
Halo, Miss.
Okay, say it again. Say the letter C-A-N. A.
C-A-N.
Okay, what is the vowel? What's the vowel? What's the vowel?
A.
It's letter A. And how do you call C and N? How do you call C and N? These are
Konsonan.
okay. These are consonants. Okay, these are consonants. Okay, thank you, Percy.
Okay, Miss. Welcome.
Okay, we still have another picture here. We have here a rat or a mouse. Okay, we also have here pen.
Mati
Okay, we
ka na.
have here pen. Okay, what is the spelling of pen? Can I have Evelyn? Hi, Evelyn. Hi, or even hi, Nadette, Johanna, or maybe Kahaya. Evelyn, hello.
Bilang.
Evelyn, hello. Evelyn, hello.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Hello. Okay, on my screen, Evelyn, is the word pen. And how do we spell pen?
Pen.
Okay, we say P. What's the spelling? Okay, one last word for this. We say P. Follow
P.
teacher. E.
P. N.
Okay, P-E-N. What is the vowel for pen? What's the vowel, Evelyn?
P.
Okay, very good. The vowel is letter E. Thank you. Thank you, Evelyn.
You're from.
Okay. Uh, okay, teacher will have to stop sharing my screen. I'll stop sharing now because it's almost okay, okay. Because teacher will be giving you a test. Okay? The test is quite long, but I hope you can just finish it. Okay, here. Okay, everyone on my screen, you have here TIS English Zero Placement Test. Okay, so this will be your test for tonight. Okay? You have all the remaining time to answer. Okay, to answer the test. Everyone, you have on my, you have in the meeting chat the link. Okay, please click the link, everyone, for you to access the test. Okay, please use the link in the chat to access the link. Okay, everyone is encouraged to answer the test. Okay, so that Dr. Harry, TIS, and Teacher Jermaine can tell whether how far your learnings are, or how ready are you for our grammar lessons. Okay, how am I going to do that in English for a while? In your language. Okay. You try to listen to this one because teacher is using Google Translate, okay? Gunakan tautan di kolom obrolan rapat untuk mengakses tautan tes tersebut. Is that right? Okay, please check the meeting chat for the link of the test. I hope you can see it already. Rego,
Mancitnya, bro.
Rego, hello. Okay, have you seen the link, Rego? Have you opened it? The test is quite long because it's 60 items.
Suara burungnya. Jawabannya yang mana, Bang?
Yes. Yes.
Abang?
Yes,
Sabar.
Jago, you please use that link for the test. Okay? So I need to stop sharing my screen, okay, so that you can start answering the test. Okay?
Apa jawabannya? Gimana? Bertamu ke rumah. Aus.
Okay, so you need to access the link. You need to access the link for you to answer the test. Okay? Mika, are you starting? Okay, have you accessed the test already, Mika?
Nggak bisa pencet ya, Miss.
Started answering already?
Kurang jelas, Miss. Proses, Miss.
What's that one in English, Mika? Started already? Are you answering now? Okay, so once you click the link, you can see it. Okay, once you click the link, you can see this one. Okay, so you need to write your name. Okay, please write your name. Okay, your email first, then your name. Okay, your email, then your name. Then you're just going to click. You just choose your answer. You read, then you choose your answer. You just have to click the circles for your answers. Okay, that's very easy. Then you have section 2, which is about verbs, about present, past, and future tenses. For section 3, you have here different types of pronouns, interrogatives. Okay, you have possessive pronouns, personal pronouns. Okay, for section 4, you have here different adjectives. Okay, you have adjectives there. Same with section 5. And also different types of sentences. And talking about subject and predicate in a sentence. Okay, the test is quite long. Okay, after answering all items, you're going to click the word submit. Then after submitting, on my end, teacher can see your responses. Okay, I can see your responses in here. Okay, if you cannot finish the test because that's quite long, maybe you can ask your teachers to extend your time. Oh, you have a class after this one. Oh, but hopefully you can just finish that one. Or maybe you can continue that after your classes, okay? So we still have 5 minutes left. Okay, 5 minutes left. Then after that one, I am requesting you to leave the Zoom, okay? Because you still have a class. You still have a Mandarin class. Again, at 5:55, you're going to leave the Zoom. Then you're going um to leave the Meet because you still have the Zoom Meet. You still have a class, a Mandarin class. Okay, 4 minutes left, but don't worry, the test will be open as long as you will finish answering it. Henry, hello. I hope you are answering. I hope you girls are answering. Boys, teacher will be very happy to see your names submitting your works. Okay, 2 minutes left before we start leaving the Zoom meet. Again, 2 minutes left, but don't worry. The test is still open and teacher will wait for your responses, okay? Okay, kids. Okay, since it's already 5:55 Bahasa time, you can start leaving the Zoom, okay? Please do not forget to continue. Please do not forget to answer your test. Okay, I'll be waiting for your responses. Okay, please listen to this one. Okay, please listen to this one. I hope the Google Translate is working good. Anak-anak, silakan keluar dari pertemuan Zoom dan bersiaplah untuk kelas bahasa Mandarin. Harap selesaikan tesnya. Saya menunggu jawaban kalian untuk tes penempatan bahasa Inggris. Okay, I hope that helps. Okay, everyone, please start leaving the Zoom, okay? Please start leaving the Zoom and get ready
Miss.
for the Mandarin class. Can she?
Yeah, Miss.
Yes, can she?
I'm leaving room.
Yes.
Apa ya?
Okay. Can she? Mom? Are you here, Mom?
Miss?
Mom?
Huh? Yes,
Can
Miss.
she?
Yeah.
Is Miss Martina around?
Belum, Miss.
Hello, can she? Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
Not yet, Miss.
Miss Martina is is your mother, right?
Right, right.
Mom Martina,
Yes.
hello, Mom. Everyone, please start leaving the Zoom now because Mom Martina is waiting for you. Okay, everyone, start leaving the Zoom now. You still have a class with Mom Martina, okay? Thank you for being with me. I'll see you next meeting, okay? Please do not forget to answer the test. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yes, bye-bye. Thank you. I'll see you